Gotta pop the hood. Give her a pull. Pull up on that baby. So here's the fuel filter. So we got a T30 Torx. There's 5 screws on this housing. I like to stick it in right here. Just wiggle it free. Release the whole filter. Try and keep as much of the diesel as possible. Pour it back down in there. New and old. The O-ring is up here. I just use a screwdriver. Pry it off there. There we go. Rub a little diesel on this guy here. And slide it back around all the way up to the top. And pop the new filter on. Push it all the way up there. Get it pointed down in the housing. Make sure it's still seated. Squish her back down in there. Put your screws back in. All there is to it. And you don't gotta go all crazy tightening these down. It's gotta be tight. Couple ugga-duggas. That ought to suffice. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Looks nice.
Thanks, Dan.